Hey, what's up guys? Today we are going to be playing Build to Survive the Bombs. So the owner of the game is Bitstreams. Group name Wellbeam. So I don't know how to play this game right now. So let's play it together, shall we? Okay, joining server. Loading game. I joined the server. Okay. Oh, I'm lagging a little. That's fine. We're a bomb. So we're a bomb. So let's explode some people, shall we? Oh my goodness, the building is so chaotic. You know what I'm saying? Why are they blowing up these blocks, dude? Oh my god. Let's explode their base. Boom. Dang, they're so tanky, bro. I thought I could one hit them. It's fine. Oh my god, I'm lagging. These are bots actually. They're so smart doing this to trick the bots into blowing up one by one. The blocks one by one, bro. Bro. I think we're losing this one. 2 minutes? That's so long, bro. I don't have 2 minutes after this. My PC is a little bit broken. It just turn off every time it hits up. Bro, I didn't explode him, bro. That's fine. Yes. Let's. Oh crap! Oh my god, bro. This is such a hassle, man. It's fine, bro, but it's just too long to lose to next round, bro. To play next round. My English is so bad. Sorry about that, guys. My English is my third language. Bro, I'm lagging too, dude. Oh my god. Bro, this sucks. I'm lagging. At least we leveled up. Oh my god, bro. I'm so laggy. Look at this ping, bro. Look at this. And they are almost losing the game. Oh my god. That's fine. We can skip to the next round, I guess. Let's go. Yo, let's go. Anyway, so let's get started. So we're gonna build a base now. Oh, this is jump pad right there. Nice. Oh, it doesn't work. Hold on, let me get rid of the performance stats. And let's help them build, shall we? Let's build using a stone. Oh, I fall. I have fallen. So that right here. No. Support. We get it. Support the building. Hold on, so we don't fall when exploded. Oh, I almost fall. Oh, survive in 5 minutes. Let's go. Only have a sword. I don't have a bow. That's fine, bro. Let's go. There they are. Damn. There's so many of them, bro. Uh-oh. He's coming for this blocks right there. They're jumping on the blocks, bro. I think I'm cooked here. I'm gonna jump over there. Oh my goodness. I don't think I can reach that, bro. I can't reach that. That's fine. Let's just stay here. Survive 10 minutes. Damn, he's jumping from there. He's dying, bro. Oh, he's not. Never mind. Those are spears. I thought those are bows. I don't know. You got a candy cane, bro. Oop. Oh, there's a slime block over there. Oh my god, I don't know that. Okay, let's jump over there. Let's go. They're entering the base. Oh my god, I don't have a throwable weapon on me, bro. I hope you can trick the bombs into blowing up that piece of blocks over there. Let's go here. Since we're not gonna help them because I don't have a throwable weapon, it's a suicide when you go towards them. So that's fine. Oh my god. Uh-oh. It's coming for this wall now. Let's run. Let's destroy this bomb over here. Oh, you're running. Crap. Oh no. Oh my god, I have only half health. I have half health, bro. Oh my god. Crap, I have fallen. Oh my goodness. Bro, I'm dying here. I'm dying. Damn, I died. Let's bomb their base over there. Super bomb. On 8 Robux. Oh my god, he got tricked. The bot got tricked, bro. Oh my god, bro. Or get killed, bro. Get killed, son. Let's go. The timers is almost over. I'm gonna end the video after this round. Let's go over here, bro. Yes, have fallen. Crap. Boom. GG's. Wait, there's one left. Defeated, bro. Anyways, if you guys enjoyed the video, just leave a like or subscribe. Let's do Sky. Anyways, if you guys enjoyed the video, just leave a like or subscribe. So this is it. This is the end of the video. Let me wait, guys. Alright, see ya.